Have you ever wondered if an online bank can truly replace your traditional one? Can you really trust a financial institution that doesn't have a physical building you can walk into? In the world of digital finance, Ally Bank is a name that comes up a lot. It's often hailed as one of the best online banks out there, but is it really? And what does best even mean? Let's dive in and find out if Ally Bank lives up to the hype. When we talk about what makes a great online bank, a few key things come to mind: good interest rates, low fees, a user-friendly experience, and reliable customer service. So, let's look at how Ally stacks up in each of these areas. First, the interest rates. This is a huge selling point for online banks, and Ally delivers. Their high-yield savings account offers a significantly higher annual percentage yield than what you'd typically find at a big, traditional bank. This means your money is actually working for you, earning more interest just by sitting there. They also have competitive rates on their CDs and money market accounts. Next, the fees. Or, in Ally's case, the lack thereof. They've made a name for themselves by having no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements on their savings and checking accounts. They even eliminated overdraft fees, which is a big win for a lot of people. For ATM access, they're part of a massive, fee-free network with over 75,000 ATMs, and they'll even reimburse you up to $10 a month for fees at out-of-network ATMs. Then there's the user experience. Since there are no physical branches, the app and website have to be top-notch. And for the most part, they are. Ally's mobile app is highly rated for its ease of use. A standout feature is the savings buckets, which lets you visually organize your savings goals, whether it's for a vacation or a new car, without opening multiple accounts. It's a simple tool, but it's incredibly effective for staying on track with your finances. They also offer 24/7 customer support via phone, chat, or email, so you're not left in the dark if an issue pops up. So, where are the downsides? The most obvious one is also the most important for some people: no cash deposits. If you get paid in cash or just need to deposit it regularly, Ally isn't going to be your primary bank. You'll need to use a different bank or service for that. And while their interest rates are great compared to brick-and-mortar banks, you might find slightly higher APYs at some other, smaller online institutions. But you're trading a fractional increase in rate for Ally's comprehensive suite of products and a more robust user experience. So, is Ally the best online bank? It's not the absolute perfect bank for every single person, but for the majority of people looking to make the leap to digital banking, it's arguably the best all-around choice. The combination of high interest rates, no hidden fees, and a fantastic user experience makes it a serious contender for your money. If you don't need to deposit cash and are comfortable with a completely digital relationship with your bank, Ally should be at the top of your list. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.